So you want to make a map in Minecraft, maybe you want to find your way around, or maybe build like a map wall or something like that. I will show you exactly how to do this. The materials we need is sugarcane and iron and redstone. This is what we need. So first off, we go to the crafting bench with the sugar canes and we will make papers like this. And then we also need to make a compass. So how to make a compass, we put one redstone in the middle like this and iron around like this. Then we will take the compass in the middle and put paper around like this. And we get an empty paper or an empty map. Then if we right click on this, we will find it will fill out like this. A cool little thing you can do is if you go to an anvil and you take a white banner like this and you name it something like home. And then we can dig down here and hide it like this. And we can, um, you see here we place this that we called home on the ground here. And we put the map on it. So now if we fill up this again, when we run around, we can see, oh, home is over there. Let's turn around and walk to home. So this is a cool little trick you can do. And if you want to take it away, you just right click on it again. And if you want to make it appear again, you right click again. So now you know how to make a map and how to make this cool little home text on your map. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.